Hello everyone, welcome to my introductions video for ETC 640. A little bit about me, my name is Eli Barr. I'm originally from Laurel, Maryland. I just recently moved to Frederick, Maryland, which is about an hour difference. It's a different part of the state. I teach in Montgomery County, Maryland, which is kind of right above DC, if you're not familiar with the area. Montgomery County is one of the biggest districts in the country, and we have a very, very diverse student population at my school. And I currently teach AP Government and U.S. History. Outside the class, I try to do a lot with my friends and family. You can see at the top I have a picture of me and my friends on a recent trip we took to San Francisco. In the bottom left-hand corner, me and my family went out to England and Iceland. That's a picture in front of waterfalls in Iceland that we did over the summer. I have my dog in the upper left-hand corner. His name is Odin. I like to take him on walks, take him on hikes. He really likes the outdoors. So we try to find a lot of stuff that he can do, or a lot of places we can take him. On the upper right-hand corner, I like to play golf. I'm not very good at golf. I shoot a little under 100 mostly, but I try to get in, try to play as much as possible. But it's a really fun way to hang out when I'm not in the classroom. Big Ravens and Orioles fans. It's unfortunate how bad the Orioles are and how bad they probably will be, but looking forward to the Ravens season. Hopefully they can turn around the city. And of course, I have my picture of George Washington. Being a history teacher, I like to go to different historical places and learn about American history. And recently I've been learning a lot about our revolutionary history, so the picture of Washington's kind of representing where I am right now, my historical thought. Thanks you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to working with everyone this semester.